Today we're going to remove the battery from this 2015 Chevy Equinox. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to first press this down and slide this cover out. There it is. Set that to the side. And it appears that we have maybe a 10 and a 10 millimeter right there. Alright, and let's go ahead and just drive these out. And put these screws in a nice safe location so you can find them. Let's go ahead and remove this one from here now. And just set this one to the side. And we have another clamp somewhere. Feels like maybe we do. I think we're gonna have to remove this cover from here. Let's go ahead and take this off. Let's go ahead and use a trim tool removal to remove these stubborn retainer clips. There they go. Pull this one out. And here, it looks like it's missing one. And we'll just go ahead and pick this up and over. There it is. And one more 10. Let's go ahead and remove this one from here. Get a nice safe location. Now we're ready to move this up and over. And it looks like there's one more screw right there. Another 10. Jeez. Alright, there it is. Now it should come free. There it is. This is just a battery clamp. Let's set this to the side. Just like so. Now let's go ahead and open this. That exposes our terminals. Let's go ahead and loosen up the negative terminal using a 10 millimeter as well. And you don't want to touch that. With the positive, you're going to make some sparks. Let's go ahead and take this off from here. Set that to the side. And what I'm going to do, grab a 10 mil wrench. This one is the speed ratchet one. Nice and easy. Let's go ahead and remove this from here. Now we'll set that to the side. Battery's loose. Take out the battery. Boom. And that is how you remove the battery from a 2015 Chevy Equinox. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.